Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are hiking into Praia da Ursa. It is a beautiful beach on the west coast of Portugal. It's located about an hour from Lisbon, about 30 minutes from the city or town of Sintra.
And it's supposed to be one of the best beaches in the world.
Yeah, so we're excited to go check it out. It starts off with a little bit of a hike down a cliff, so it is not a park and walk up beach. I guess that's something to let you know of right off the bat. You're going to want to wear running shoes. That's what we hear anyways.
For those of you who don't know us, I'm David.
I'm Kaylee.
And we run a travel and adventure blog called Made to Travel.
We are passionate about activities that get you outside and off the beaten path, so let's get going.
To the beach. This beach is also supposed to have a pretty epic sunset, and we are just in time for that. We also brought a bottle of wine, so time to relax and enjoy the sunset. After a big day of castle hopping, Sintra is known to have a ton of castles, and this is very true. They are all quite beautiful. If you're wondering which ones to hit up, we have a video for that. You should go ahead and check that out after this one.
Alright, we made it to the beach. Probably like a 15-minute walk, hey?
Yeah, not an easy one.
No, lots of downhill, definitely wear runners, but it's nothing too crazy. And there's not actually a ton of people here, which is really nice, and it's super beautiful. Lots of naked people. Nothing against naked people, but just be warned.
Might have just been our lucky evening.
We've seen a lot this evening. We've seen a lot.
If you guys are planning to travel to Portugal, we have developed a travel guide that is very useful in the trip planning process and has everything that we love about Portugal, including like all of our favorite stops on the Azores, Madeira, mainland Portugal.
Yeah, it's jam-packed with pretty much everything that we loved about Portugal. You don't have to do any research at all. And it's 58 pages long. So we will link that below if you want. It's an instant download too, which is really nice.
We've had a lot of positive feedback and reviews for it. People get back from their trip and they have found it very useful. So
yeah, we're really excited to share it with you.
We'll link it below and up in the corner here if you want to check that out.
About to get very classy here.
That's right. All about the class.
We don't have glasses to bring down to the beach in our van, so we're drinking from the bottle. Enjoying the view. Okay guys, so we got, that was really aggressive.
Yeah, one bottle deep.
We got
one good bottle deep.
Yeah, we got a little drunk on the beach.
Our sunset turned to shit, the clouds rolled in, so things got chilly. Never went in the water because it is like too cold.
It's really cold, but it's beautiful. Would recommend coming for a clear sunset.
It is a beautiful beach though, like on a hot summer day. Definitely come here.
Yeah. Go around the corner to the left because there's like a separate little kind of more private beach area, which is really nice, especially in the evening.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
We will see you in the next one. Oh, review. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, hit that subscribe button
and the bell to be notified when we post a new video.
It would mean a lot to us to see you guys around here more often.
We'll see you in the next one.
See you next week.